Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with Samantha Rates the Recipe, and today we're trying TikTok trends. So I know I'm late to this one, but I'm sure you've seen the videos where they take a huge, like burrito-sized tortilla shell and flip it 4 ways and make things. So I'm gonna do one for breakfast, and we're gonna start by making eggs. You make your eggs the way you like them. I'm gonna do 3 eggs because that feels right to me. So whip them up, whip them up. Bam. You hot, you hot. Yep. She hot. Put a little salt. Bam. A little pip. Bow. Then where my wooden spoon at? Right here. You know, scooch it around, scooch it around. All right. I'm gonna put just a little taste of cheese in here because we're gonna have super cheesy when we start folding it. Okay. While that's cooking, I have here some pre-made sausage, and I'm just gonna slice them up a little bit, and then we're gonna assemble. This is like the easiest thing I probably have ever made for breakfast. So our eggs are done. I'm gonna turn the fire off, scoot them to the side, and I'm gonna get this bigger pan because this is what we need to make the burrito. So what you do is you just cut like 1/4 of it, or 1/4 of a way down, right? And then I'm gonna take my sausages and slice them in half. I'm not really sure how many I'll need. We're just gonna, you know, let the spirit move us. Okay? Boom. So start out with the eggs. Slap them right here. Right? Scooch them right in there. Get on in there. You need a lot of eggs, right? You need a lot. And then the next 1/4, I'm going to have some cheese. A lot of cheese. Right? Bam, bam, bam. Then the next 1/4, I'm going to do my little sausage slivers. Woo, they hot. Okay. Excuse me, Mission Tortilla. We thank you. And then you fold them. So I'm gonna take that, boom, fold that over like that. Excuse me, little eggs get in there. And then I'm gonna fold it again like this. And the last 1/4 gets more cheese. Because it's gotta stick, guys, it's gotta stick. Right? So now we have like our little quesadilla fold. I'm gonna turn back on our skillet there. And I'm gonna fold that last little section over. And once our pan gets hot, we're gonna put it in there. I'm gonna take, I guess, like a tablespoon of butter, slap it in there so that it can start to melt. And our buttered pan, and we're gonna just sit it in there and let it get brown on one side. Once it gets kind of toasty, then we'll flip it over. And while that's happening, the cheese is obviously going to be melting and getting all good. So what kind of condiments do y'all like on your eggs? I think for this, I'm going to do a little sriracha and some sour cream. Also, it's all done. So here we are. We're going to cut it in half just because this is a life for a player like myself. And you can also see the inside. See the cheese. Remember that, what's the commercial? Jack in the Box used to go cheese, meat, and that's it. That's what this is like. So I'm gonna give me a little bit of sour cream. Bam. We almost out of sriracha, so the littlest bit apparently of sriracha. And then we're gonna get into it. Okay, stop it real quick. And then I want to get into it. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna put me a little bit of drizzle of the sour cream. Y'all, the perfect bite. You get eggs, you get sausage, you get cheese, you get sour cream if you want it, sriracha if you want it. I don't know what you like, but this is bomb. Go TikTok, 5 out of 5. This was fast too. Now if I had to make the, pan sausage, that would have taken longer, but I didn't. So now, I'm gonna clean my area. We're gonna make a sweet one with strawberries and whatnot, so hold tight. Okay, so now for the sweet one. I was kind of torn, I am kind of torn on what to do to build this, so we're gonna just see how it turns out in my finished product, right? So we cut it again, same as we did with the savory. Now we have strawberries that I've sliced, finished. Yeah, I was just dancing, so I'm a little out of what? Breath. But don't worry about that. So we got the strawberries on here. Boom, bam, bip. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is I have some white chocolate. I'm gonna drizzle it on the strawberries like that, right? Because then I can put more things if I just do it like that. So boom, that's like that. Then I'm gonna go chocolate ganache over here. That's what I want to do. Not too much chocolate in the same spot. Because I was thinking Nutella, but everybody be doing Nutella. So I wanted to try to do different things. Now I'm going to go cookie butter. Right? I feel like I haven't seen nobody do cookie butter. So we're going to spread it right here. Right here. A little more cookie butter. And then for the kid in me, sorry about my back, but some marshmallow fluff, because I love marshmallows. And let's just see what happens. A little bit more. Sticky. A big old blob right there. Cool. Right? Now we fold it. Don't get to slide now. Don't ever start sliding. Bam. Slapped it. And then to the marshmallow side. Back to the ganache side. Now we got to turn on our fire. Bun it up, burn it up, bun it up. And get melty. Put a little butter. Just like before. In the pan. Swirl it around. Don't let it get melty. And then we're going to put our little sweetheart right in there. Bam. My hand's ashy. I don't know. Hope not. Yum, 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 yum. Gonna be good.
Do it.
So here we have it. And I have just this like leftover, this is cream cheese and like sugar, heavy cream, like concoction, like to dip it in just in case. Yum. Juice is coming out. Y'all, go TikTok. Go TikTok. Get a little of this cream. Five, you hear me? Make this. Do it now. Now. Do it. Do it. I spit. You saw me do it. COVID. Yum. Delicious. Definitely double dip. Oh, good. You can taste it?